Want to forward a voice message on Instagram? There's no direct forward button, but there's a simple workaround you can use. Here's how. First, open the Instagram app and go to your messages. Open the chat that has the voice message you want to forward. Now, press and hold the voice message. You'll notice there's no forward option available. So, here's the trick. Swipe down and open your control center, then start screen recording. Go back to the chat and play the voice message while it's recording. Once it finishes, stop the screen recording. Now the voice message is saved as a video in your gallery. Go back to Instagram, open the chat where you want to send it. Tap the camera icon, then open your gallery. Select the recorded video and tap Send. And that's it. It's not built in yet, but this method lets you easily forward any voice message on Instagram.